We packed up our canoe and camping gear to head towards Eminence, Missouri for camping and floating the Jack's Fork River, one of Missouri's hidden gems.
Doesn't get better than the Jack's Fork. So clear. Clearest fresh water you will ever see. A little out of touch this morning. Forgot our extra life jacket. It's in the set bag. And we probably forgot something else too. It's been too long. This'll do.
We paid Jack's Fork Canoe and Campground $40 to shuttle our truck back to camp. We floated the Alley Spring to Eminence section, an easy 6.5 mile float. The Jack's is a cold spring-fed river and maintains a 65-degree temperature year-round.
Oh. Okay, so let me turn this. Wow, beautiful.
Yeah, it is. First catch of the day, a rock.
Done fishing here?
Yeah, I just want to try like on the other side of this shade.
Cool.
It's a fighter. Nice. First smallmouth of the day.
How'd you hook them?
Almost through the eye. Free the fighter.
Alright, I want to stay left in the rapids.
Left as we can.
Yeah. Without bottoming out. It's gonna naturally push us right.
Yeah, I know.
You paddle on this side.
Yep.
Okay. Well, Go hard, baby, hard.
We're good, we're good.
Hard, 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 hard. Oh shit! What happened? What did I do wrong?
Nothing, it was just taking us in there.
Okay.
It was okay though.
Oh man,
We were able to bounce off.
my heart is racing.
You turn us a little bit.
Sure thing.
Thanks. I knew we had it.
Oh man, my heart is still racing.
Oh, got one.
Wow.
Heck of a fish.
Nice job.
Yeah, decent size.
Oh, they found a snake.
Oh wow, this guy almost swallowed it. Yeah, that would have been a really hard one.
I think we want to go left of this big log that's out of the water.
Stop slowing the speed.
Oh, sorry.
We need more speed to get there.
Okay. We're gonna get plenty of speed.
Oh, it's on a ledge.
Oh yeah.
I wonder
Let's
if
go left. It's gonna push us more right now. Okay.
Yeah. Perfect.
Left again. Left, hard left. Woo! Are you okay?
I literally popped him up into my back. I pulled him out behind me.
I heard a big thump.
I'm glad he didn't hook me. Oh man,
That's a first.
that's funny. Plucked him right out of that hole.
Did it hit you
Decent little
in
smallie.
the back or did it hit your feet cup?
It hit me in the back and my shoulder. We were kind of turning the wrong way, so I was like fishing behind me. What was that, number
I
3?
think it's gonna naturally take us right, babe.
Yeah. Is that
I need
3
your
or?
help going left.
Yep. Is that 3 or 4?
4. Oh no, 3. That's 3. Yep, I sure do. Here we go. Woo! That's the most rapids we've seen all day. Yeah. I'm ready. Watch out for all the liquid that might drop on you.
Yep. Me too.
Okay, 1, 2.
You good?
Yes. Do you need to push more or less?
Oh, perfect.
Okay.
I'm gonna go straight up.
Okay.
Well, let me just set it on this edge so I can take it off. Well, it was a successful float. We caught 5 fish, 4 fish, somewhere in there. Mostly all smallmouth, 1 rock. And no rock bass, but a sunfish. And now we're cooking dinner. We're doing charcoal on the picnic grill. So it's a nice slow cooking of dinner, and we're racing a storm that's coming in that's hopefully gonna skirt to the south.